Bacteria are all around us, and your lenses are no exception. So how do you stop the spread? Can you prevent infection? Take action. Protect your eyes from what they can't see with HOYA's Bacterial Control, an antibacterial lens coating that slows down bacterial growth by up to 99.9%, developed with internationally certified technology. HOYA's antibacterial lens coating comprises of positively charged silver ions which possess antimicrobial properties. The silver ions penetrate the bacteria and destroy the structure of their intracellular enzyme. By preventing bacteria from multiplying, the coating slows down bacterial growth on your spectacle lenses. Bacterial control also comes with HOYA's high vision long life UV control for superior durability and UV protection, with blue control as an add-on to provide your eyes comfort in a digital world, offering you total control as a whole, from the front to the back of your lens. So don't wait. Protect yourself and your loved ones today. Head down to an optical center and ask your optician about HOYA's Bacterial Control.